what's up, guys? Today I'm going to be playing I Am Cat. Low-key new to this, so I can barely even see my... Alright. Hey, newbie, are you new to the neighborhood? If you want to join our cat... That scared me. Okay. So get to the second floor. How do I do that? Oh, here. That place was hard to move, but the tutorial is hard to move, but in Grandma's house, it's very easy to move. I don't know what was wrong with that tutorial. Yeah. Grandma. Ew. Get up here, please. I guess I can't go through there. Yo, what is them noises? Wait, I was just climbing. Wait. Hey, Grandma. Ooh. I'm sorry, Grandma. Grandma, please. Come with me. Come with me, Grandma. Come here, my little. Ew! Ew! Grandma, are you coming over here? Okay. Ooh, a knife. Ooh. That wasn't not anything. Hey, Grandma. I'm just gonna make some eggs. Let me grab it. I'm stuck. Oh, Grandma, no. Where's my handle?
You've got to for me.
Blood is speaking gibberish. Ooh, I can toast this bread.
I'm ready.
I'm ready. What do you mean, Grandma? Bro, this toaster is cooked. Alright, trying to make some toast for Grandma to make up for it. Granny. Hungry. What? No. 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 Hot water is not. I want cold water. Go. Grandma, I'm mad at you. I gotta go run. Grammy, please, Grammy, don't do this to me. Let's play Ring Around Rosie. What? Hit something. I'm gonna break your favorite pot. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow.
You've got to for me. You've got to.
Sorry, Grandma. Yo, how did you get up that fast?
You've got to for me.
Ooh. Let me turn around so she can get up.
You've got to for me.
Let me get up there. Ooh, my hand's stuck. Okay. Yeah. I hope Grandma's not mad at me. I'm gonna go in the fish tank. Don't worry about me. Okay. I wish I can go inside. Where's the fish food? Oh yeah, right there. No more? Grandma, what are you doing? And his name is John Cena. Oh. I want to watch TV. Ooh, what is this? I mean, I already seen this, but you know what? Since you're being mean, alright. What I do with you? I'm gonna watch TV with Granny. No, he follows me. No. I'm gonna press turn off. Oops, sorry. Turn off. Oop. Let me turn it all the way down. You don't care? You know what? You make me angry. Don't give away my spot. Grandma. Ooh, the toast I forgot to eat. I think they're burnt. Grandma, here! Girl, who you walking up like that, like you a diva?
Open the shield. You'll get larger for me.
I'm finna throw this at her. It's probably gonna break her back, but well, I almost did. Okay. Finna stab her. Well, nobody's harmed in video. It's just the game. Nobody's harmed. And no. Yeah. It's my hiding spot. And just the funny thing. Good. So good. I'm gonna go upstairs because I heard it was a secret room. Ooh, it's gonna make Grandma very mad. Oh, she heard it. Oh, she's gonna come with me. Grandma, it's just an accident. Calm down. You know I'm a lazy cat. It's an accident, Grandma.
You'll get larger for me.
Shut your mouth. Ooh. Run. I'm not gonna take my eyes off her until I get upstairs. She can't get up here. Alright, so. Is that robot still trying to find me? Where's Grandma? She isn't upstairs, is she? No, 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 no. Ooh. What's up? No, no. It's a secret room. Ooh, it's a horse. Ooh, it's a horse head. Oh my goodness, I'm stuck. No! I'm finna fall asleep. Well, bye guys. See you in another video.